Yeah, now we will start solving this fifth problem. Now look at this, tan theta is equal to 1. When tan theta will be 1, at tan theta equal to tan 45 equal to 1. That means what is theta? Theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now here what we have to do is we have to find out the value of these things. Okay. Now what is sin theta? Because the value, see here you have to find out sin theta. Theta is what? 45. That means you have to find out sin 45 plus cos 45 upon sec 45 plus cosec 45 degree. That is the meaning of that. So sin theta equal to sin 45 degree. What is sin 45 degree? 1 upon root 2. Now sin over. Now cos 45. Cos 45 cos theta equal to theta is equal to 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. Now sec 45 means what? This is 1 upon cos 45. So 1 upon what is cos 45? 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon 1 root 2 upon 1 equal to root 2. Okay. Similarly, what is cosec 45? Cosec theta equal to cosec 45 equal to 1 upon cos, sec 45. 1 upon sin 45. So 1 upon root 2 is equal to root 2. Now look at this. We wanted to know the value of sin 45, that is 1 by root 2. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. Sec 45 root 2. Cosec 45 root 2. So simply we will substitute now. See, now sin 45 plus cos 45 upon sec 45 plus cosec 45 equal to 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 upon root 2 plus root 2. Now we have to simplify. What is LCM here? Root 2. So root 2 plus 1 plus 1 upon how many root 2? 2 root 2. So is equal to 2 upon root 2 upon 2 root 2 upon 1. Is equal to 2 upon root 2 into 1 upon 2 root 2. So 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2. 1 into 1. 1 root 2 into root 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Followed or not? This is very simple. Now next one we will do. Next sum, very interesting sum these are all. Prove that sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Proof means normally what we will do, we will take left hand side, we will simplify and then we will try to find out the right hand side. Now proof. Left hand side. First we will write sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. We will write like this. Take LCM cos theta. So cross multiply. Sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta. But what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So what is the inverse of cos theta? Sec theta. So which is equal to your right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. This is your answer. Now next sum. Seventh sum we will do. This is also very important. Now prove that cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1. Now proof. What I told you, we will take left hand side. Cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Now you tell me, what is 1 plus tan square theta? That is nothing but sec square theta. It is an identity. So it is equal to cos square theta into sec square theta. But what is sec theta? Or you can say, see here it is there, sec square theta into cos theta. Now look at this very carefully here. You can write cos theta into sec theta the whole square, because a square into b square equal to ab the whole square. You are knowing the formula. So now what is cos theta and sec theta? See, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. So cos theta is what actually 1 by sec theta into sec theta, the whole square cancel. So 1 square equal to 1. Therefore cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is also very easy and important proof. Next. This is little interesting sum. 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So proof. So always what we are taking? Left hand side, square root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Now here you cannot remove the square root easily. So what we have to do is, we have to take the conjugate of the denominator. What will be the conjugate of 1 plus sin theta? 1 minus sin theta. What will be the conjugate of 1 minus sin theta? 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So we will multiply with conjugate on both the sides. One minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, x into x. What is x into x? X square. So 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta the whole square, 1 minus sin theta the whole square. Okay. Now what is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So it is 1 square minus sin square theta. So it is equal to 1 minus sin theta the whole square upon 1 square is 1 only. Now look at this. What is 1 minus sin theta the whole square? 1 minus sin theta square root 1 minus sin theta. Now, or we will write one more step. You will understand better. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now, what is the square root of this? 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now, what is A minus B upon C? A upon C minus B upon C. So, I will split into 2. Cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. What is 1 upon cos theta? Sec theta. 1 upon cos theta equal to sec theta. And what is sin upon cos? Tan. Tan theta. See, this is your right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. This is very important. Only thing what you have to do, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by its conjugate. Then everything will become easier. Now what we have to do is next sum, which is very important. Next sum also a very interesting sum actually. Now we will do this also. Fourth one, prove that sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta equal to tan theta into sec theta. Proof. So, as usual we will take left hand side. Left hand side equal to sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus tan theta equal to, now you tell me what is sec theta? It is the inverse of cos theta. So, I am writing 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Okay, now cot theta, what is cot theta? I will write cos theta upon sin theta plus what is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. I have written, see, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta and tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This is the reason I wrote. Now we will simplify. Now you see here, take LCM cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. Now here also you take LCM sin theta into cos theta. Cross multiply cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now look at this very carefully. What is 1 minus cos square theta? It is sin square theta upon cos theta into, what is cos square theta? See here we will write 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. And what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. So 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Now look at this. 1 sin theta and 1 sin theta cancel. So you have got sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. What is sin theta upon cos theta? Tan theta. into what is 1 upon cos theta? Sec theta. So it is right hand side. See here. So is it interesting? You will have to refer at home, then only you will be able to do it. Now next one. Next sum is important. Fifth sum, prove that cot theta plus tan theta equal to cosec theta into sec theta. So proof. What we will do? Left hand side we will take cot theta plus tan theta. What is cot theta formula? Cos theta upon sin theta plus what is tan theta formula? Sin theta upon cos theta. Reason you have to write. What is the reason you will write? Since cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta and tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now take LCM. Sin theta cos theta. Cross multiply. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1 because it is an identity. Here we will write sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now this I will write 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta equal to. What is 1 upon sin theta? What is the inverse of sin theta? Cosec theta. Into what is the inverse of cos theta? Sec theta, which is equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. This also very easy and important sum. Now next one we will do. Next sum, prove that 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Now left hand side we will take 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now look at this. What is the conjugate of this? I told you what is the conjugate? Sec theta plus tan theta. So we will multiply 1 into sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. So is equal to 1 into anything, same thing. Sec theta plus tan theta upon, look at this, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. So which is equal to sec theta plus tan theta upon 1. Why? What is the reason? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So sec theta plus tan theta, which is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta equal to sec theta plus tan theta. This is also very important. Now we will do quickly another 2-3 sums. Another one, prove that a sum sec theta plus tan theta equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So, proof. So, what we will do as usual, we will take left hand side. Sec theta plus tan theta. Very simple it is. What is sec theta? It is the inverse of cos theta. So, 1 upon cos theta plus, what is tan theta formula? Sin theta upon cos theta. So, what we have done is sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta and tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now, we will take LCM. Cos theta. See, denominator is same. So, you can write as it is, numerator 1 plus sin theta. Now, what we have to do is, what we got? 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now, we will take the conjugate of 1 plus sin theta and then we will multiply on both the sides. Okay. So, here we got now 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So, a plus b into a minus b. So, a square minus b square upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. What is 1 square? 1 square is 1. 1 minus sin square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now, what is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So, how we have, what we have written here? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now, see, 1 cos will get cancelled. So, you are getting cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. That is your right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, sec theta plus tan theta equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Followed? Now, next one we will do, that is very, very interesting sum. If tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta is equal to 2. Now, look at this, what is given to you? Tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 2. Okay, now we will write. Proof. Left. What is given? Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2. It is given to you. Okay. Now, squaring on both the sides. Why we wanted square? See here, look at this, square, square is there. So, squaring on both the sides. So, tan theta plus 1 by tan theta, the whole square equal to 2 square. Now, what is this? A plus b the whole square. So, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 4. What is this? Tan square theta, one and the same, plus 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 4. Now look at this, tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 4. This 2 will come here, minus 2. So this is the answer. Simple, it is very interesting sum also. Now 3-4 sums are there, we will do in the next class.